In Toolroom RN35, there is clear distinction between manufacture and regrind, either from wizard or common parameter page. So, in the past, there was no manufacture or regrind and it never respected the X in feed. Now, if you are in manufacturing, you got a 1 mil X in feed, and when we simulate this tool, you should still get the OD length, flute length of 20 millimeter, and the X in feed is taken into consideration in case of manufacture. So the parameters that is taken into consideration are flute length, OD length, insert width, core diameter with taper, variable helix, index, etc. So if I go to the Sim3D, we've got an in feed of X of 1 mil. So if I put that, bring it back to 0, you can see the flute length is 20 millimeter now. And if I go into regrind, if I'm in mode regrind, and then I simulate this tool, it will take that X in feed into consideration, and now you've only got 19 millimeter flute length. So that is a clear distinction between manufacture and regrind.